Hi, I'm Mary-Helen Daly and I'm a transpersonal art therapist and artist, and I'm a Learning Experience Facilitator with Georges River Libraries. So as a facilitator, it's such a privilege to be offering workshops because you know that you're having a really amazing impact on your local community and you get to share your craft. So in the Media Lab, we have a cyclorama wall, professional lighting kit, green screen, and computers where you can access Adobe Creative Suite. It's actually kind of cool because not all kind of art therapy has to be done on paper, you know, so being able to actually use things like collage and learn how to manipulate images is kind of amazing. As a facilitator, you're actually helping them feel a bit more confident to step into going and borrowing some of the items that are free to loan from the Digital Tools Library. My experience has been absolutely wonderful. So it's really helped me develop my practice and continue to build confidence, skills, and I get to work with a really awesome team at Georges River Libraries, and who doesn't want to work with awesome people?